Oh, wow, there are a ton of people here. Oh, hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to Oktoberfest. This is my favorite time of year, favorite month. I mean, we got football, we got beer, we got boobs. You know, the girls, they got the outfits with the boobs. Oh my God, it's so good. I've been having a blast. This is my 6th beer. I mean, man, this is awesome. Oh, look who's here. It's Supergirl. So like I've been saying, this is my 2nd beer that I've had. Been having a lot of fun. And the Crusaders got a special announcement. Babe, you want to help me do the honors with this? Presenting my new website, thecrusaderstore.com. All right. Babe, you can't put it in front of my face. All right. All right. It's thecrusaderstore.com. This is where you're going to go to get the workshops, all the digital content. So, in case you didn't know, you can go to thecrusaderstore.com to get my workshops. I've got 3 of them now. That's the other announcement. Presenting my 3rd workshop. This one is CPN Workshop, Video Workshop number 3, Business Edition. All right. Are you serious? I've had 2. They don't fill them up a lot. It's like I had 2, pretty much. What? Great. Well, it looks like I'm in trouble, but, you know, the show must go on. I've got another announcement. Starting now till the end of October, everything site-wide at thecrusaderstore.com is going to be 10% off. All you got to do is type in the code ROCKTOBER before you check out, and you get 10% off. Now, I'm going to say a little something about the 3rd workshop. I've been working on this, and this workshop was created by necessity because people were buying my 1st workshop and they were, you know, having a lot of success with them, but then all of a sudden things would stop working. The Crusader has got a new workshop. Like I said, it's the 3rd one. It'll show you, if you're trying to make a ton of CPNs, what to do, the problems you're going to run into, and how to get around it. So, like I said before, go on down to thecrusaderstore.com and check it out. Well, I got to get going. I got to see where the hell Supergirl went. So as always, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Crusader out.